You break the bars of iron, shame captives free. You break the chains of iron, set captives free. Mighty man of war, mighty man of war, mighty man of war, mighty man of war. You break the bars of iron, set captives free. You break the chains of iron. You that have done it before, you will do it for me again. You will do it for my family again. Can you lift up your voice? Selemeloge, Selemamutagele, Bragiana Selebehila, Clefrehila, mighty man of war, mighty man of war, mighty man of war, mighty man of war. You break the bars of iron, set captives free. You break the chains of iron, set captives free. Mighty man of war. I don't know what that revelation looks like in your life. Can you lift up your voice? Can you lift up your voice? Keleman celebrate. Hey, mighty man of war, mighty man of war. Hey, mighty man of war, mighty man of war. You break the bars of iron, set captives free. Samantele, akele bariele, ajemele ogo. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Look at that spot in the spirit. We come in the name of the Lord. Lift up your hands so you get. Selemantelebe, Grebanansele. Hey. Is enough. The pain you went through just for me on Calvary is enough. The torment you went through just for me on Calvary. I will not let Satan use me and bring pain to your heart. I will not let Satan use me and bring shame to my home. Is enough. The torment you went through just for me on Calvary is enough. The pain you went through just for me on Calvary. I will not let Satan use me and bring pain to your heart. I will not let Satan. It's enough the torment he went through on the cross just for you. Enough of Satan using you to bring pain to your master. It's enough. It's enough of your family experiencing shame. Felegaele, salantele malaye, kaende mena. Wele kamaela, ela grodo belo sande belona. Ebenega dandega beto go sande loro. Bragiale taela moza. Wele belo goele, asamanente le beto go belende beleno. Riele de go beno selene. Can you lift up your voice? Mighty man of war, mighty man of war. You break the bars of iron, set captives free. Tonight I know you will not leave me like this. Pradek. Don't look around. Look at the war zone in the spirit. Paneseleo, gaeleo. Ilamwe gagaeo. Yeselemelo. Odogo. You've never lost a battle. Odogo. Jesus, Udogo. Hey, Udogo. You have never lost a battle. Judas fire. Udogo. You have never lost a battle. I can tell it. I can tell it. I can tell it. Udogo. You have never been defeated. Udogo. Yeah. Selentelebelo garaelemeno gada. Yeshua is with you. Don't be